What is going on, guys? Hope you are doing well. Thank you so much for checking out the video. So, do you ever have those spots in your lawn that always seem to go dry before anywhere else in your lawn? Well, I do, and in today's video we're gonna dig it up and we're gonna see what in the world is going on. So let me explain my situation. So every year, once we get dry, this spot right here in my lawn, like kind of right where the tip of my roof is, kind of out through this area, always turns that blackish bluish color, you know, like whenever it's going into, you know, kind of early dormancy and it just is stressed from drought. Well, this spot right in here always seems to dry up first. Now, I don't know why. I would assume maybe there's some rocks or something under there. So the only thing that I know to do is to dig it up. So what I'm going to do is dig up a patch. We're going to lift the dirt up and we're going to see what's under there. Hopefully there's not some big boulder or something like that. I can't imagine there would be. But, you know, the rest of the lawn looks great. It's been, just kind of give you a little bit of some backstory. So it has been not terribly hot, but it has been dry and windy. The rest of the lawn looks great. Now, we did get about ½ inch of rain yesterday, so this ground should be really soft. And the grass bounced back, especially in this area. But if we don't get rain in the next 2 or 3 days, this spot right here is going to dry out. So let me get a shovel, let's dig it up, and let's find out what's going on. All right, so let's bring you in, show you what we're looking like down in this hole. All right. All right, so this ground is incredibly hard. Here, let me see if I don't know, can you hear that? Can you hear just how compacted and hard that ground is? So I can tell you, look at that, look at how compacted that is. Now, it is not that way everywhere out in the lawn. It is only this section, and I don't know why. I mean, my shovel is having a really hard time. Look at how bone dry, I mean, look at how bone dry that is. I mean, it just crumbles. So that, I mean, it's not rock, it's dirt. There's no rocks in here. This is all dirt. I mean, there's some root material in here. There's no concrete. Look at that. I mean, there's no way that roots can grow in that. Which explains, well, look how bone dry that is. I mean, it's hard as a rock. Now, when I break it up, it's nice and soft. So the roots aren't going very deep. Look at that. Now, that's going to be good dirt now that it's all broken up. Here, let's flip this over, show you. Look at how the roots, all of the roots are right here. They're densely packed. Look at that, look how hard that is. And that's just, what, a couple inches down? And I can barely, look how bone dry that is. Again, we got ½ inch of rain. So there's no way that water is ever gonna be able to penetrate that. All right, so what we're gonna do to repair this, here's the spot right here. Mash that down, this will come right back. All right, so we're just gonna soak this with water real good. But the question is, what can I do about it? I mean, is there anything I can do about it? Obviously, there's a little rock right there. But this wasn't down in the dirt. It was all just really hard clay. And water will not penetrate it. So the question is, like, what do I do? Do I just dig up this whole area and kind of break it up just like I did? You know, I've seen the deep tine aeration before. Is that what I need to do? The deep tine aeration? Stand this all back up. I don't know. Something's wrong in this area. So let me know your thoughts, what I should do. I think it's gonna take some kind of manual process. This isn't gonna be a product, something you can apply. This is a problem. Let me know what you think. Now just to show you that it's not everywhere, that it's not like that everywhere in the lawn, let me show you this. Dig up this spot right here. See, even right here, I mean, you can tell, even right here, this, I mean, it's not completely wet, but it's not bone dry. I mean, this is nice and soft. Look at that. I mean, this has got some moisture in it, and this is way deeper than it was over there. Now, it's not perfect, but I mean, I can definitely feel a lot more moisture over there. So it's just in that area, and I don't know if it was just from the construction, from where they built the house. It's just been that way forever. I don't know. So let me know, guys.